Okay guys, so welcome back to the YouTube channel. Thank you for returning. So this video, it has been highly demanded. Everybody wants this video. Everybody has been asking about this video. So what's this video about? Every morning I post levels just like this one in my group every morning. Either I'm posting it on Telegram or I'm posting it on WhatsApp just like this every morning. I post alerts just like this. So, and of course, what happens is that when I post it, I usually post it around 7 to 8. And then shortly after the celebration, money has been made, people have made some money, and the winnings are posted, and the charts are also posted, what happened, and I do that every morning. So people have been asking, how do I take advantage of these levels? What do I use them for? That's why this video was created. So stay tuned. I'll teach you all you need to know on how to make the money. Let's go. Okay, so we're in the chart. So let me just quickly explain what you do with the levels when I post them in the morning. So it's actually very simple. The whole thing is actually very simple. You just need to first understand what the levels mean. So now I'm already in the charts. I put them usually in a notepad before I copy and send to you guys. H4 is for 4 hours time frame. So this EU is Euro USD. So what this means is the less than is this particular value for Euro USD, this exchange rate. As at the time I'm posting it, take note of that. So at the time I'm posting it, it's less than the current market price. Now there are just two steps you should do once you receive these levels. The first step is this. The moment you receive these levels, put everything inside your alerts. When I mean inside your alerts, turn them to alerts. Your alert is under here. This is you're going to execute the alerts on this software. This is a MetaTrader software. Some of you are already familiar with it. If you are not, I have another video that explains about the platform and how to download the software. Of course, you must have already registered with the links that I sent to you. They are in the description below, so you can go there, click there and register. Once you are logged in, you'll see a place within the platform where you can download the Windows software for trading. Once you have the Windows software loaded up like this, just under this place here where you see alerts, just come. Let's say, for example, if you were to set this one, for example, let me use this. You're going to, first step, remember, put everything inside your alerts. Quickly put everything inside your alerts. So the reason for putting it inside your alerts is so that you can hear the sound. So that once the market price gets to that level, you hear that it has gotten to that level, then you are able to buy or sell, which is the second step. The second step is waiting for the market to get to this alert, these levels, then executing your trade. I'll show you in a moment how to execute the trade. The basic thing is this. Let's say for this one now, you want to set it as an alert. You just copy it, come under here, click on alerts, let it open in its own panel like this. Right click, click on create, paste it. For the one of just now we're looking at, if you noticed, it was greater than, it was not less than, meaning that this particular price, as at the time I posted it in the group chat, it was higher than the current market level. Take note of that. The time I posted it matters a lot. So if you are seeing my post maybe 3 hours later, it may not still apply very well. So you must check, as at the time I posted it, that that price, market hasn't moved above that price, or situation hasn't changed so much. You get. So the normal time I post is usually around 7 to 8 a.m. GMT plus 1. So if you are, just look around your charts inside the group within those time and you see it. Once it comes up, put it inside your MetaTrader, turn it into an alert, and you hear the sound. Just give at least maybe 2 hours dedication time to trading. Definitely the alerts will trigger. Once they trigger, you buy or sell. Now, to put it inside the alerts, just right click. This one now was greater than, so we turn this place, this condition here, you turn it to greater than. Then, since it's already set to Euro USD, you click OK. Iterations are number of times it will make noise, and how long before it times out? About 10 seconds. So between iterations, it's going to make noise about 10 times, and when it makes noise once, it's going to last for about 10 seconds. So that's what that means. So you just set that and click OK. Once you click OK, the alert will be formed below. As you can see, it has formed below. This particular case is a sound alert. So let me do another one just to show you more example. Let me use this one too. I copy that. I go down here, anywhere within, just right click anywhere within. click on create, paste it inside the value box, condition, in this case it was greater than, and you can see alert, action, sound is going to make sound. There are other types of alert, there's file, mail, notification, but you're choosing sound, so remember that, the condition. So once you click on that, okay, it appears under, and if price gets to that level, it's going to make a sound. So if the price rises above that level, it's going to make a sound. Now let me show you how it appears in real time. Let me use this price as a typical example on GU. This is 1.2417. So I'll just use like an example alert so that you see how it appears. So I'm going to put it a little bit higher so that it will surely trigger. So let me use right click, create. I'm going to change this to GU. I'm going to put the condition of less than. Then I'm going to use the level that it is currently higher than so that it definitely triggers it. Let me just use 119. Okay, you can see it's at 2.4116, so I'm using 119. So I'm going to click on, okay, turn this on to, yes, less than, that's the right condition. So once I click on that right now, if you look clearly at this place, you can hear the sound. If you can see that it forms a line there. This is like the arrow that the alert has formed. You understand? So it's making that sound. So if I scroll down to my alert, you'll see that it has made the sound twice. So it's going to continue to make it like up to 10 times before it stops, just as you are seeing. So what happens is this: if it was a case whereby the alert is less than, if it's a case whereby the alert is less than, for example, maybe like this, you have a less than. Maybe I should just turn off this example so that it doesn't continue to just disable it. So as I disabled it, it went off. So let's say it's a case whereby the price came down to the level that I had sent to you and the alert are making noise. What you do is this. Let me say, for example, let me pick this line. Let's say this level was the level, for example, where I'm putting this line now. What's the level? You understand where this blue line is. Now I'm currently on 1 minute. So if it was a special level, for example, this is just an example, and the price came down, 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 and hit that level, and let's assume this way. You wait for this one to get to 59 seconds. Right now it's on 49 seconds. Then you open your this thing. This is pound USD. Since my chart here is not loaded, since my chart here is not loaded, okay, while that is loaded, I hope we can get another opportunity to show you. So let's say it comes down, 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 it hits that level. What you do is, okay, yes, it wasn't properly loaded, so I guess maybe I'm having a little bit of network, but this side is working properly, so why is this side not working properly? Sorry about that, guys. Maybe it's network or something. Well, it's already doing what I wanted it to do. Sadly, the network didn't show. But what you're supposed to do is, as it came down, 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 and hit that line, you now wait for the 59 seconds, then you place a buy order. So as this one ended as a buy, you make a profit, just like that. So if it came down, the 1 minute hits that level and still ends in the same direction, just as you see here. Comes down, ends in the same direction, meaning it still ended as a sell. Even though it hit that level, it ended as a sell. Now, this is just an example. You get, but when using the lines I sent you, you see that when the market will usually change direction just around those lines. Now, I have a more detailed tutorial on that, on how you actually place the trades you get, because usually in placing those trades, you may actually have to use your screen like this. You may actually have to put the other screen behind, maybe adjust this screen so that you can see this one and you can also see this one, just as I did here. So you can monitor the two. So that the first thing, once you hear that alert sound, you move your distance to 1 minute. You start observing it as the price is moving towards the level. Start observing it. You're watching this place here, the time. So once I will just do a practical now. I hope this side is well loaded. Okay, this is GU. So I'll take this to GU right now. You know, then I'm watching this 28 seconds, 31 seconds. On this other side, if you're looking at it too, it's the same thing, 36, 38. So you wait for that minute to end. You get, let's say as it's moving up now, it was moving up to hit one of those ones that are greater than, maybe like this, and it hits one of those ones. Once it gets to 59 seconds, so as you can see it on 1 minute, it's going up towards that level. At 59, you press the sell. That's just how you do it. Just press a sell like that at 59. So once you press the sell, if it has hit a resistance level or a support level, it will now, shortly after, the price will turn around and go in your direction. Like I said, this is just an example to illustrate what you're supposed to do. So the key thing is that, remember, you are executing within this platform. This other platform is a platform that's supposed to just guide you. This other platform is a platform that's supposed to guide you in your analysis. You understand? This one is guiding your analysis, while this one is where you are executing your trade. I didn't want this recording to be so long, but I hope you get an idea of how to use those levels. The greater than levels, you set, first of all, step one, you make everything become alert by putting it inside your MetaTrader software. The second thing is that you wait for it, any of those levels to trigger. If it's the lower than, you place a buy. If it's the greater than level, meaning it's a resistance, you place a sell. It's that simple. Like I said, somewhere popping up right now, there should be another video that breaks it down and shows you practical me trading practically. These are after market hours, so I'm not really trading practically, you understand? So I hope this video has been of value. I hope it answers some questions. I'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe if you got some value. Thank you very much. Bye.